Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about what is Canva app, how it can be used, and what are the things that can be made artistically like a pro using Canva. Basically, if you are a beginner in this digital world, if you have very little idea about graphic designing, or you want to design some chic posts and designs, this tutorial is for you. In this tutorial, we will learn Canva in detail. So, this is going to be the complete course of Canva you will get. It will be a series of videos. At the end of the course, you will reach to the advanced level. One more important thing, the complete course will be available in 3 languages: Hindi, Marathi and English. Whichever language you are comfortable, you can choose it. The complete course will be on channel. So if you have not subscribed yet, do subscribe for the fun learn. Okay, so let's begin with the course. Let's start with the basic question, what is Canva? So, Canva is a platform where you can design your graphics more easily. Not only graphics, but Canva provides us lots of options. If you are a student, you can use it to design your presentations, worksheets. If you are a business owner, you can design your post for digital marketing. You can design your logo, can run your advertisements. If you are a true social media person, you can design your unique trendy posts, stories, YouTube thumbnails, a big cover and whatnot. We will go through it in detail afterwards. In this video, we will have some introduction about it. The one question you may think, if there are so many options available like Illustrator, Photoshop and all, then why should we use Canva? Why Canva? Then only 3 reasons are enough. The first thing is Canva is free to use. Most of its features are free. It has its premium version, but we'll learn about it in upcoming videos. Second thing, it offers great variety of tools. Audio, video, images, graphics, shapes, charts, text combinations, all one could need to make a perfect design. Third is, Canva offers drag and drop feature. Means, whichever element you want to add in your image or whatever design you are creating, you can just drag it from the stock and drop it wherever you want to put it. It's that simple. There are so many features like this. So, we are going to use Canva for designing. Then, how to do designing step by step, what elements are there, which features we can use, all these things will be covered in upcoming videos. In this video, we have learnt about what is Canva, what are its uses, why should we use it, and it was short introductory lesson number 1. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, colleagues and your learning partners. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the notification button. Thank you.